All right. Let's do a volume check. I think it sounds pretty good. Hello. Let's get on screen. Hello, everybody. Good. I'm just making sure I have eyes on the chat. YouTube chat. I know there's a plugin that allows you to view both YouTube and Twitch chat at the same time. It's called I forgot. That's okay. Okay. Looks like they have a mobile dashboard for Twitch in the app. It's kind of cool. I don't really need it. I've got the OBS system up running. Looks like we're running at 50 FPS. What? Alright. I was on a podcast earlier today. with the guys from Direct Us, I want to say. Let's see. Why don't you enjoy my screen? Direct Us? Direct Us? Let's check out my LinkedIn, eh? Alright. His name was Matt. Yep, here he is. Yeah, Direct Us. That was right. So Matt, he I love how he put bunny ears on his own photo. That's sick. Very smart. Yeah, he reached out to me. It was actually a little while ago. It took us a bit to get this scheduled, but they do podcasts for developers, like programmer podcasts. They talk about them, talk about their career paths, and what led them to do what they did. And yeah, I actually I'm not 100% that Direct Us is the company that did the podcast. I think he just works for them, maybe. I could be wrong. It's been a while. I knew a little bit more about the situation when we first... Yeah, no, because Pedro was there too. And John. And he... Is John also Direct Us? You have too much in your description, dude. I guess John doesn't work for Direct Us, but he was in the podcast with me. Yeah, anyways. It was great. Really nice guys. Got to talk about my book, my Twitch, and everything that led me to what I'm doing now. And yeah, when they drop that podcast, I will be adding it to orbemortar.com, and I'll make sure to post it everywhere. So anybody wants to watch it can. If I can get it on my YouTube, I will too. Or at least I'll post about it on my channel. But today, I think where we left off, before I got too tired, I couldn't even make it to midnight last night. We left off, and it was working. As you can see, the roadblock is gone because I killed it. So if you start a new game, I wonder if punching works on other items. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. That's because I'm only looking for breakables. Should I make it work on collectibles too? Do you punch collectibles? Nah, probably not. I just run into them. Alright. Wait, what? What happened, you? Why are you still gone? Roadblock. Why are you still there, roadblock? Pretty sure new game resets everything. But not explore point? That's weird. New game. What? Reset. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, explore points. It deletes it. Let's reset again. My back is killing me. I can't get comfortable here. Let's try to get a good position. Make this easier on myself. It's kind of hard because the drawers are in between my legs. Okay. Make sure the mic is in the right position. Facing my face. Okay. Better. Did I reset? Yeah, I did. So, explore points. Empty. Alright. This makes me think when I go to the new area, it's grabbing the explore points from that area, which will include roadblock. I am correct. What the nut? Okay. So it's deleting explore points, but when you get the new area, get explore points is getting grab all the points you can collide with. No, this isn't what I wanted. New. So I'm returning map items, which are explore points, cutscenes. Yeah. Map SVG collision. I don't know. Why am I doing that? Oh, this is old. This is when I was doing collision points in the post content. We can ditch that. Okay, well, it must be in JavaScript then. Explore points. Here we go. Add user points. It's probably something to do with the no points. Yeah, add no points. So each type. No, I mean, why would that add that? No. Okay, enter new area. So what happens when you enter a new area? You get all the information. does it touch explore points? No points. No. I don't think so. New map items. That's confusing. Excuse me. I'm not trying to do food ASMR. Okay. See, everything looks fine. Except it seems like I'm checking explore points. Which is fine. That's really confusing. Let's double check. No, it's in register. No, see, it doesn't make sense though, because it starts with nothing. Yeah. Starts with nothing. And then it gets... Let's try resetting one more time. That's really confusing why roadblock is getting added. Yeah, that's really confusing. Nothing else is getting added automatically. Because I go here. And I confirm explore points or is empty default. Let's walk a little bit. Maybe it's randomly getting added out of nowhere. No. So far so good. But let's not touch anything. We'll go around 4 now. And now we're here. Now, did it just add it because I went to the new area? It did. So it's 100% being added. You know what? Let's reset one more time. Let's check the network call. Let's see if it's returning in the response somehow. Going around 4 now. And by the way, I need to change the logic that automatically detects coordinates. because I want to only run it when you're moving. Or when you start to move and you stop, then I want to record your position. Or at least when you're moving. Because I guess you could die while you're moving. And I want you to start where you die. Okay. Point. Oh. The nut. So I go to the new area. And everything's fine. Gives me all this data. But look at this. It's also triggering add points. Why? Why are you adding points? Let's see. Add explore points. When is this getting triggered? New area. I'm not in the JavaScript. It's about to freak out. Okay. Add user points. Which is triggered. No, this is the natural place where it triggers. This is the custom place. And here's the normal place. Okay, here we go. This is why. Because... no. F you. This should not be automatically adding unless I'm intersecting, which I'm not. Which I am. I mean, I must be at some point. Shit, maybe it's moving my... I'm moving the character when I change locations. I must be intersecting with the item. Ah, that's annoying. I don't want him intersecting with everything he passes when I change position. So I need to change his position before the items are there. Yes, I do. Or, yeah. Yes. So let's go to new area. Okay. Now, where's position change? Right here. Ah. I'm timing out. And I did that for reasons. I wonder if those reasons still exist. Shit. Actually, let's see. Add no points. Engage enemy. So what I want to do... here's the head. This is adding the new style sheets that move all the... okay, this is what adds all the things on the page. Yeah. Well, server side's adding all the things on the page and the map. But this is what adds the positioning of those things. I wonder if it's because they all start at the same position, and then when the styles are there, it spreads them where they're supposed to be. I just wonder if I move him first before the styles are there. Let's just try that. And let's try doing it without a set timeout. Reset. Those are my low screens. Oh. Lost Soul 421. No, this is not a Flash game. This is actually a vanilla JavaScript based game just built into my WordPress website. Which, you know, would be a lot easier with the game engine, but I really want this integrated into my site. Thanks. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, and you know, for being completely JavaScript and style based, it's looking pretty RPG-y. Right now I'm trying to debug an issue where my breakable item is intersecting with my guy when I go to a new area, because they're all starting in the same position, and I'm loading a style sheet that moves all the items on the map after the fact, and I feel like he's overlapping with everything, so it's engaging everything at the same time. So let's see, did me moving that fix the issue? Oh, I'm getting shot. Stop. It did not. Alright. And his position looks weird again, so the set timeout is actually needed. Let's go back. Okay, so I think what I need to do is move the items. Now, I mean, I just need to define his position server side. That will... I'll make sure that he's not touching anybody. And since I'm setting his styling afterwards, I can just do like left 3000. He might kind of zip over, but this should move him out of the way on load, so he doesn't intersect with the breakable item and break it before I want to. Alright. I should probably refresh. Okay. Let's double check that his... Yeah, okay. Reset is left. You know what? Uh-oh. That's not good. Fell out. Yeah, that happened. That used to happen to me a lot. My My balls would just come out randomly. It's best when you're eating food and at dinner, and the ball just falls right into it. Yeah, hopefully it's healed. You might be able to last a little while before it closes up on you. I've had mine for 14 years or something, so it's not going anywhere. Alright. Oh, I put the left on the weapon. That was dumb. I need to put the left on. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah, I spent a good 10 years being a professional piercer. Worked in Hollywood for a couple years. I don't recommend working in shops in Hollywood, by the way. And yeah, I had to try them all out on myself first, so when anybody asked. Thanks. Yeah. When anybody asked if it hurt, I could tell them, oh yeah, it did. Or no, not really. Okay, so I think, yeah, the server side is not where I should have added that. Because it's changing in JavaScript when I go to a new area. So I need to default it here first before I add the styles. So let's see, I got the map container. Do I have my character item? Yeah, this is where I'm moving him. So I need to move him first and then reset his position. Load. So let's put him at 3,000. Yeah, it's the same thing with tattoos. Yeah, you know, yeah. When people ask if it hurts, with piercings, yeah, it's pretty obvious. My favorites are like when I go get shots. And they're like, oh, you're afraid of needles? It's like, yeah, right. It's like, yeah, I can be afraid of needles going deep within my arm and still have tons of piercings. You know what I mean? It's a big difference. Never was into suspension or anything like that. Those guys are crazy. See if that works. Same with tattoos. Which one hurt the most? Like anything with bone. That's what I always say. Anything bony, which unfortunately is most of me. Alright, restart. Let's see if it worked. If not, I'm just gonna have to change the logic that the breakable items, like, I need to add like a timeout for that logic or something on load, just so it gives it a second for things to move around. I do not like how my position is not right. It's supposed to start me at the bottom. Ah, yeah, it's really interesting actually. You know what, I'm gonna get rid of the breakable logic real quick first. And then we'll see if that really is the culprit. Alright, let's look for breakable. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. So let's give this a shot first. So now we'll know if this is the point in which it's actually getting removed by itself. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, and all the music that's playing right now is stuff I've recorded over the years. Some of it's available. This is actually a cover of Poison, that Has Been Hotel song. It's a metal cover I did. This is just the instrumental portion. I did the vocals. It's on YouTube if you are interested, under my channel called Cover Them All. Well, it does not look like it worked. So at least we know that's not the point in which it's adding to that explore points array. It's still empty here. And then when I go, and I can just check right here actually. We'll know if it didn't work. Okay, it worked. I probably just didn't refresh. There it is. Okay, so that is the point at which it's failing. So for some reason it thinks it's overlapping with the weapon on load. Yeah, that's not cool. And this is part of a set interval. So this is getting hit a bunch. And I'm removing when it gets hit. Okay. In that case, I'm gonna need to yeah, I can do something a little different. I can actually load the weapon on a delay, so it's not intersecting with anything. So by default, let's go ahead and make the weapon none. And then after this initial check, how about let's add it here. Even though it's displaying that, it'll still show up in the list of map items. Oh wait, no, I'm doing the weapon, not map items. So this is my weapon. I'll go ahead and make it visible. There we go. If it exists, make it visible. So this should give it a little bit of a delay. If not, I'll have to put a set timeout on it or something. Did that work? Or am I tripping? Let's try again. Oh yeah, look, display block. It worked. Yeah. Good. Now it's not dying. I got points, and let's punch. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, back in business. My breakable roadblock abilities are set. So in the WordPress dashboard, let's go to my explore points. We got my roadblock. Position's good. Hey, why don't you take forever? Alright. Position's good. Gives you 50 points. My problem is, I thought I added a block. It's not supposed to give you points when you run into it. It's only supposed to give you points when you break it. Yeah, see? I have the add user points call here, but when I ran into it, or did I only do that for collectibles? Where's that block? Yeah, collectibles removes when you run into them. Breakables. Oh, see, yeah, no, I had a return, so it doesn't give you points. I should just do that here. I don't want to use return. Does for each in JavaScript have continue like in PHP? I don't think so. What's continue? Is it break? Let's see. Continue in for each vanilla.js. Using continue. Oh yeah, illegal. Use return. It's equivalent. Well, okay. So I was doing the right thing. I was just putting it in the wrong place. Let's reset. Yeah, I want to be able to run into the wall or whatever is breakable. It could be a vase, a window, a door, whatever I want to break and get points for. New game. Double check collectible still working. Yep. That gives health. He gives points. Awesome. Oh, look at that. I started in the right position. That's nice. Wait, no. It's broken again. Why? Oh, shoot. You know why it worked is because it was server starting, huh? Let's try that again. Yeah. Oops. I gotta save my position out here. Darn. Yeah, okay. Okay, see, now when I run into him, it doesn't do anything. But if I break it, it also doesn't do anything. Shit. Why didn't that trigger points? Yeah, right here. Add user points. I have the value, all the junk. Oh, add user point doesn't do sound or any of the Okay. That's okay. That just means that all happens down here. No, that's enterable. Here we go. So if it doesn't already have engage, I trigger all this stuff. Play infrasound. I add points. Okay, I need to make this its own function. Or I need to put it inside of add new points. Yeah, let's do that. In fact, where is that? Okay, so yeah. So this is add new points for that. It's just I don't want it to sound and make a jingle every time you get hit with a projectile. Okay, so let's just make the sound and the other stuff its own function. This is for the cutscene. Leave that. Make it engage. Yeah, I still want to do that. I want to play the intro sound. And then if it doesn't have a no point, I want to do all this. Yeah. So this is all going to be its own function. We'll call it engage point animation. And this is run point animation. Why did I change the name from engage to run? Exactly. I use engage for all my classes, so I don't want to use it for a function name. Alright, here we go. Do the point animation stuff. Run point animation. Yep. Add all this junk. Value's good. Yeah, so all these add Myra class and all that stuff, that was before I understood vanilla JavaScript. Because honestly, this is easier than that. And I don't know why I thought to make an extra function for it. I was looking up a jQuery replacement website, I think. And it had like equivalent functions. There you go. And the equivalent functions had a bunch of checks. But that was a while ago. Like I said, I've been making this game for years, off and on. Not this specific version of it, but my live version. This is the live site. And by the way, I'm a website programmer, specifically a WordPress programmer by trade. I've been doing it for 14 years. I work for companies like Disney, Warner Brothers, Universal. I actually still have a Disney website. I developed this for them during my time there. It's the first Gutenberg enabled theme they ever used in their digital media department. Very surprised this website's still here, by the way. Must be useful for their company. But yeah, worked for Warner Brothers, did some Harry Potter stuff, and yeah, so you know, I do all my own web development. And this is my book. This is what the game is based off of, Orbem. Second book is on pre-order now on Amazon. It's a fantasy sci-fi crossover about a dude who invents personal wormhole transportation. ends up running away to another universe called Orbem. Yeah, you can probably read all that here. And I wanted to give people a chance to walk around Orbem, so I developed this little walk around game where you could choose your character, and very, just same mechanics as my video froze. Same mechanics as my current game, but very basic, and you just kind of walk around and read little tidbits about the world. So this was supposed to be like an add-on. Like, you read the book and you want to read more about it. Let me fix my video real quick, because I don't know if it's just me who's seeing the issue. It's a good face though. Okay. Let's do this. And this. There we go. I'm back. Where was I? Yeah. So this. Oh, look at that. I finally figured out the hotkey. Nah, that's probably because I'm just not on it. Okay. Yeah. So this is what it was. Or this is what it is currently on the live site. And, I wanted to create a game that would get people to learn about the universe. A standalone. Like, they'd play the game and they'd be like, oh, okay, Orbem's actually also a book. So that's why I'm building it this way. So, what's the issue? Oh yeah. So run animation. Okay, run point animation. This is going to be its own standalone. All I have to do is give it the object that you run into. So let's actually go back to breakable. That's different. That's different. This is it. Okay. So add user points. And run point animation. So now this should make the fun jingle and give you points. Why is this not? Uh-oh. No, it's available. Oh, I should probably add this as well to the bottom stuff. Okay, so yeah, I don't want it for this one. That's why I made it its own function. And I think it was down here that I stole it, right? No. Down here. Oh, I already put it there. Doi. Okay. Sounds like my music ended. Okay, let's restart again. Okay, oh, let's double check that point animation and stuff still works. It does. Hate your face, alright. Okay, thanks for now. Yeah, I forgot you get points when you go to a new area. Okay, now... Oh, look at that. It worked. Weird. Good. I mean, I won't Knock it. Alright, now let's see if it gives you a point animation. Yes. Well, it gives you the animation. But it doesn't go away. And it's not actually giving you points either. What the hell? Let's see here. Point. Yes. Point. You are giving me points. 50 points? Point. Roadblock. 1. Yeah, that's all correct. So I must have a little points now, but it's not filling my point gauge up. Point bars. Oh, it's at 100. Oh, no. It's at 50. That's 4 in those points that he gave us. Okay, well maybe this has something to do with these. What do we got? Ah, position has not been added. Add user points position. Did I steal position? Aha! That'll do it. I bet you that's why that breakable didn't go away either. I bet that like blocked it because it broke. Here we go. Position. So I need to actually add position to this as well. That's fine. Add user points. Where you at? Where you at? Run point animation. Yeah, okay. Sickening. Alright, let's see if that... Now the breakable goes away. New game. Yeah, if anyone's still watching, feel free to ask more questions. I know this is very... Yeah, look, see, it's gone. Nope, sorry, I'm in the wrong area. Yep, that worked. That worked. Oh, no, it didn't. Look. What the hell? What? Did I not? I thought I did this. Run point animation. Oh, stupid. It would help if I was adding it here as well. Don't forget your docking. There we go. Now the code knows there are parameters. Yeah, let's try this again. I didn't get to the other area, so this is fine. Alright, points are there. Yes, thank you for the health I didn't need. And now let's go here. Just double check everything's working. Oh, I got another 50 points. Awesome. And yes, it is gone. So it's working now. Alright. Let's restart from here, because I think that'll bring it back. And then I'll fix why it's going away. Go. Okay. Alright, it's not doing anything. It actually gave me less points. What? Okay. That's fun. I think it's because add user points is actually, yeah, adding. Wait a second. Add user points. Position type. Value no point. So this actually has add user point built into it. So I shouldn't be adding user points in my own function. Well, no, it's supposed to be blocking. No. Okay, here we go. I will not do this. I do not need to do this. Because run point animation will do it for me. And that means... Yep, this is fine. Again, I don't want it to animate every time. The projectile. And I'm running it here. Okay. Let's make sure. Yeah, you know what I want to do? I want to not move the guy's position when you go to a new area. Because that's probably part of the problem, is the default. Yeah, I mean, is the new starting position. So let's not do this at all. How about that? I'll just let him start where he is. See if that fixes it. Oh wait, do I still have that 3,000? No. No, I don't. Right? Oops. No, I don't. Okay. Let's restart. Game development. Restarting every day. Okay. Let's make sure this works. It does. Let's make sure this works. It does. Hit your face. Whoa, is that 60 points? Man, he's giving it up. Let's go here. I got more points. My starting position's all messed up. Perfect. That's what I expected. I'm getting shot at. Moment of truth. Fudge. It did not work. This is dumb. I really don't like this. Okay, let's restart right here. Continue. Okay. And give me points. God damn it. Why do you refuse to give me money? Alright. Well, while I think about that, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Sorry for jumping off. Be right back. Just letting the dogs out. Alright. Back to work. Why you know work. Yeah, so starting to think it's not the position. And then I think it might just be damn dogs. In and out, in and out. I think it might, if I hide the weapon like I did, and let's not make it visible at all. So where's the weapon? I wonder if I just don't make it visible, is it still going to intersect? Because if so, then I'll just have to wait and put like a set timeout on this display block. I think I should be able to just go in and out of the area since it's a server-side call. I mean, since it's a client-side call to the server. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh yeah, but that wouldn't hide his weapon. Okay. So weapon is hidden. So let's go back. Yep, weapons hidden. So I should be able to just add a set timeout. Okay. We shall add a set timeout. Set timeout. The cop out function. The tech debt function. Need to add tech debt to your life? Add a set timeout. Oh my god. He's seeing an animal or something. Be right back again. Anyways. Shuffle. Alright. Let's see. That's a really fast timeout. But I wonder just having it at all is gonna fix the issue. So let's refresh. I think I'm just gonna start a new game. Well, the weapon isn't there because I don't know why. Should be. Oh, there's not a breakable item. Should I not add a weapon if there's not a breakable item? That's kind of dumb logic. I don't want to do that. I mean, you should always be able to throw a fist, right? Or like swing your weapon. It's kind of fun. I mean, there's always going to be something breakable, but God, there's something on my eyelash. I can see it. Alright. Show weapon. I mean, I don't need to do that here. Because then it's going to constantly be trying to show the weapon. Or check. Let's just do it on load somewhere. No. Yes. No. Shoot. Okay. I have an idea. Hide it before I do the new area API call. And then show it after. Boom. So I do not want to hide it in by default. Womp. Go to add new, new, enter new. All right. Enterable. No. Yeah. Enter new. So if you do enter new, I'm going to hide your weapon by default. All right. None. What weapon? This weapon. Map character. Map character. Explore weapon? I don't think that's right. I never remember my own classes. Map weapon. Map character, map weapon. Duh. That's weird. Why is it a map weapon? I don't know. My naming conventions are confusing sometimes. There we go. And if weapon L. If what? Just if weapon L. Oh no. If you've seen any of my other streams, you'll know that my shift closing bracket and my shift pull no longer works. And I think I tested it on a text edit. Let's see here. Yeah, it's just the keyboard. See, normal bracket, normal, shift, shift. Doesn't work. Anybody here know why that is? I tried to look it up and nobody knew. In that case, I have plenty to copy and paste from, so well, we'll just keep it going. Alright, here we go. None. And we're going to do this. I don't need a set timeout anymore because I can trigger it right here. Yeah, why not? After he moves. Boom. This should work. The weapon's gone until he's in position. This should work. And I'm actually gonna update this timeout a little bit later. I was able to get rid of one timeout though. Alright. Try it again. New game. Oh yeah, I got a weapon again. Hitbox. Blue hitbox. Go. Okay. Thanks for the points. Damn it. Position's still broken. Whatever. Oh wait, didn't I disable the position? I think I did. Ah, I'm getting shot. God damn it. It still didn't work. No, why? You know what? Fudge. Well, let's see if, and let's see if I disabled the position. Oh no, I didn't disable the position. I'm right here. Alright. Let's see if not unhiding it solves this. Alright, so it's showing. But now when I go to a new Orbem area, I'm gonna hide it. Okay. It's still showing. That's weird. That means that this is not working. Wait, this is not working. Enter new area. Map weapon. Map character. I'm obviously doing something wrong. Map character. That's correct. Map character. Map weapon. Inside map character. Map character. Map weapon. Correct. Nothing wrong there. Why are you not... Wait a second. Is this function not the function? Why did I think this was the function? It is the function. What? Is this being ignored? Or am I going crazy? Map container, map. I'm the map. I'm the map. Head. Map items. Yes. Okay. Wait, here's map character. What am I doing with map character? Ah, it's just his location. Okay. So, display none. Interesting. Well, time for some consoles. Yeah, I know that works. Well, let's go to a new area. What? Why? Why are you not hitting the map weapon? Oh yeah, I didn't check the console. Well, definitely not hitting this function. That would explain why this isn't working. Alright. So, what the... fuck? Who's calling this? Enter explore point. The hell is this? Check if collided point is enterable. Yeah. Position enter. What the fuck? Hey. My default is hey. Okay. Am I not compiling or something? No error. Then you better say hey to me, console. You did. Okay. Good. So that means enter exploit. This is getting hit. Enterable. Position. Enterable. That is a thing. Enterable. Ooh. Okay. That is a global array. Okay. Hey. I mean, I guess I could just hide it here. You know what, let's do hey too, just in case that it's cached or something. Hold please. No Firefox. Bad Firefox. Force quit Firefox. Hope that didn't lose my session. Alright. Let's go back, try again. Let's see if we get a hey 2. Hey 2. I hope I see you. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Yes, I do. Okay. So in that case, let's just fucking do that. Oh no. What am I doing? Where are you? Where? Gimme. Okay. So this should work. Now, when I go to enter an area that's enterable, it should be seeing the weapon goer. Oh, the quirks of making your own game engine. Oh yeah, look at that. Weapon went away. And look, weapon gone. Look who's back. Blah, 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 blah. Don't shoot me. Ow. You son of a bitch. Come here. No. 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 Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. Oh god. I disabled the hit attack. Run! He's too strong. Go, 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 go. I need health. Give me a pillow. There we go. Health back up. So dumb. Okay. Alright, now that this goes away, let's bring him back, hey? Because look what we're gonna do. Enter new area gets a weapon. That's really stupid that I'm passing it to this function, but fuck it. This is a really weird way of doing it. Oh, it's so I could cancel it. That's why I did it this way. Alright, so weapon will be here. Let's see if it works. Louder than I thought. Okay. And I'm pretty sure this is it. We can move on to the next thing, which is probably fixing the positioning. I need cool sound effects for punching. Thanks for the help. I shouldn't have wasted that. Oh, yeah. Look what we have here. Get out of my way. Oh, look at that. And it gave me points when I hit it. Ta-da. How great. Let's add something to the chat. I think I'm gonna add I have no idea. I can barely see these. What are these again? Emoticons? Is that what they call emotes? That's what it is. Let's add Dino Dance. Alright, we did it. We did it. Okay. Hey, you know what even bigger win would be? Is if I leave and come back and it's still gone. Alright. Oh, hi. I hate your face too. Well, that's pretty gay. I don't care. Screw you. Kiss me. No. What a weird interaction. You think I could have made it less weird. But that would be impossible. Okay. Now let's go back. Well, that's fine. It's not really fine. Why is it not part of the explore points? Explore points should be part of points. It is. If it's part of the points array, it should not be here. That's my rules. Obviously, it's not working. So let's see. That. Okay. Remove. Delete old area style mess. No. No. Oh, I think it's to add no points. Here we go. So we're looking at point, health, and mana. And if it's there, then remove. Oh, I did it for data collectible, not breakable. Let's do or. Oh shit, I can't do or. I hate that. I hate that I can't do or statements now. And I don't have any or statements. Oh, I guess I could just look it up. Just to copy. Pipe text. That might be a stupid way to find it, but gimme. Let me save you. Pipe symbol. Gimme. Here we go. Yes, I stole you. You know, one of my computers had broken keys at one point. I used to have to copy R and stuff and E because those two keys just died on me. Check it out. Boom. Yes. Yes, or statement. I can do it again. Wait, what? Bitwise operator used. What? The hell are you talking about? I hate the lag on this. It makes me think something's broken when it's really not. Alright, data collectible or data breakable. You know what that's gonna do? Break everything as I didn't add a closing. Go into this other computer real quick. Oh shoot. I did not need to click that. Yes, I have computers all over me. Okay. Now it should be gone. Check it. Check it out. What? What's it all about? Let's work it out. Let's work this party out. Okay, hold on. Where's my maps? Default map items. Oh yeah, it's explore points. Here we go. Okay, explore points. Okay, no, that just gets me all the explore points. Hence the name. Get explore points. Oh, whoops. What did I do? No, what? What? Yes. The hell? Okay, and then where am I using this? Right. There it is. Get map item HTML. Guarantee I'm looking for collectible. Here's breakable. No. Why am I not? caring if it's breakable. Server side. Oh, because I am running the add no points. So then this should be removing the item. Data breakable. Yeah. Yeah, this is right. What the nut? Why are you still here? You are a breakable true item with no point. You shouldn't have no point, bruh. You should be deleted. Let's just restart. Maybe it didn't compile. Yeah. See, I'm always screwing myself. I'm refreshing before it's actually loaded. Compiled the JavaScript. And look at that. It's gone. I broke it. You are broken. Goodbye. Okay. So I started off with this punching mechanism so I could punch breakable items. I definitely can make some really cool looking weapons. Just seeing this temporary fist punch. Okay. Okay, so I need to make this be able to punch dudes now. Let's punch dudes. So right now I have logic for engaging enemy. Okay. And at the start, it looks for all the enemies. Gets the speed of their shooting, gets their health. One. Okay. And I have an interval to make them shoot. Which I was thinking about it, like, most enemies in the game are not going to be shooting you. So I really need to make another enemy that walks towards you, you know? And, you know, just hurts you by running into you, like most bad guys do in video games. But anyways, I still need a killing mechanism, so cool. Yes, this is so they can't shoot through walls. Ooh, oh, I was looking for the 32. Here we go. Key down, that's for cutscene, the other one. Here we go. Character hit. Alright, breakable items, yes. Oh, shit. I need to get rid of this. Yeah, okay. So, weapon, map. Yes. In theory, this is correct. So if the map item exists. Oh, see, that's where I was running into the issue. I just need to loop through all the enemies. Constantly. So I think I need to do this at the weapon level, just like the breakable. I'll check if the weapon is intersecting with an enemy. So honestly, this is all BS. I do have this entire enemy health REST API endpoint, though. Which I'll need to take into consideration. So let's take this. Okay. And let's go to... I'll leave this for now, but let's go to the breakable logic that I created. Okay. And so right now, it basically just looks... No, that's on load. Okay. Basically it just looks, is it overlapping with the value? Which is... Wait, what? Oh, I'm also looking at projectile. Right. I thought it was just for projectile. Okay. So with the model, so with the map item. Okay, here we go. Breakable, do this. Okay. Now I need a new one. So this is for enemies. What the fuck? What did I do? Why did I do that? What? What the fuck? Who do you think you are, dude? Give me this. This. Give me this. You fucking dick. Get rid of this. Okay. Back to breakable. Okay, cool. I know. This is for enemies. Map item is value. And we'll just change all those to value. Now, wait a minute. This is fine. Yeah, it's the same thing. Because I'm constantly looking at the positions of the weapon and the enemy. So basically what's happening is when my little hitbox goes out, it's reading the position of it. And when it hits, it triggers this. So it's going to do this. So let's try this out. I just hope I don't have the same issue where it like takes a bunch of health because it's touching it for an extended period of time. Because I thought I combated that somehow. I don't know how I combated that. Engage. Let me double check I didn't do anything special for that. I need to remove that function. So what was I doing? Setting a set interval, position, projectile. No. No, what I meant was the 32 thing. Your earnings statement reports already. Oh wow, I actually got an earnings statement from ACX, which is the distributor for my audiobook. I mean, it's been out for months, and I've gotten sales throughout that time, but they haven't been giving me earnings statements. So That's interesting. Okay. Here we go. So I was originally... Pop, pop, pop. Okay, so I wasn't doing anything special. It just worked. Okay. Alright, let's try it out. Did I break anything? Map item is not defined. Map item is not defined. It broke something. Oh, I still have map item somewhere. You stupid bitch. Let's go back. It's inside here. Change the data health of the item. That'll do it. My Titanic cover, and I do. This is original key. Let's listen to this a little bit. I do all the screaming and singing. What the nut? Insufficient resource. Why is this blowing up on me? Oh shoot. I'm like blowing up the API. Oh, let me turn the music back down, sorry. Rocking out to myself. Yeah, I do that a lot, by the way. I don't know. I think when you spend years making music, and like you don't get recognition for it, that you don't like music from other people. I mean, I like a lot of music. I have a playlist, but I mean, nothing really new. 2006 screamo, metal, hardcore music. It's like the epitome of what I listen to, if I'm listening to music at all. But yeah, like I was saying, when you make music for years and nobody cares, you just you have a different idea. You know, you hear other people make music and you're like, I mean, I can do that, or ugh, I sound better than that, or whatever. You have like a chip on your shoulder, which kind of ruins music for you. So I really wonder what it's like to listen to music and not like sing it, you know, do it yourself. Like I always sing over the songs that I know. I can't just like sit there and listen and be like, yeah, they're really good. Okay, so obviously there are explore enemies everywhere. Yeah, see, look, there's no blocking this. So this is constantly hitting this API endpoint. I didn't add the overlap logic. What is wrong with me? So, if it's an enemy and the weapon is overlapping, then swing for the fences. Yeah, just like this. So weapon L and value L. Alright. And I have a Fiverr gig. Or people can hire me to, like, you know, sing on their TikTok or do scream covers or whatever, and I get a lot of random requests for just like 3 words of screaming. I had some guy's TikTok. He was like making fun of emo floors, and like I did the screams for the background of his TikTok or whatever. And it's fun. Keeps me kind of messing around with music and recording with a purpose. I can't do anything unless it's a job. Like if I didn't think that this game would eventually help with book sales or get people to stumble into the Orbem universe and want to read the books or whatever, then I probably wouldn't have started it, even though it's fun. Yes, I know. I'm exploding the API. I should have stopped this a long time ago. Should I close it? I feel like I should close it. Close! Thank you. Let's go back this way. I have a feeling this might run into the same issue. On load, because we'll be intersecting with the weapon. Oh. Ah, dude, I think I fried it. I think I need to restart the whole site. Oh no, it worked. Okay, cool. What happened to my trigger? Need no work. Oh, it's still doing it. Why? I'm not intersecting. That doesn't make any sense. Did I not compile the change? Thought I did. Yeah, look, I put this in. Wait, what? What the hell am I doing? I added the if statement, but I didn't close it. Oh, you bitch. I thought I closed it. The closing bracket don't work. There we go. The magic copy and paste closing method is still necessary. Okay. That's why it wasn't working. Past my normal streaming dead time. I just want to make sure this works. And then I'll sign off. Okay. Come on. Thank you. Okay. So let's make sure I'm not getting... Yeah. His punches are not working. Why? Did I get rid of the punch logic? I don't think I did. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, shoot. Is this where I was doing the punch logic the whole time? And I just destroyed this whole function. Let's bring this function back to life. Yeah. Why did I remove this? This was the whole function. I don't know. I thought this was the show hide. Yeah. But it's not. Alright, hold on. Let's just Go back. Mouth noises. See, I don't need this anymore. Womp. But I do need this. Okay. Back in business. Back in biz. Punches should work again. Don't worry, it's your time. And no one's going to miss you. I wrote these lyrics when I was 16 or something. Pretty deep. Pretty deep lyrics for someone who has no idea what they were talking about. Excuse me. Okay. We can now punch again. Okay. Let's start with you, mother effer. Alright, I can't tell if it's working. Strength. Oh yeah. Nope. That's you. Oh. His health is moving on its own. Let's see what happens when I punch. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punch. Nope. I'll be the first one to say this is not working. At least I don't think it's working. Unless I'm just punching too fast. Oh yeah. No. That's the projectile hurting me. Oh look. No, see, it's working. I think the problem is provisional headers. Yeah, see, I think it's just too much. Like those are all security things hitting at the same time. Yeah. Okay, so I need to do a fix. That when it hits, the engage goes away. That way, as soon as it hits, it stops and it doesn't like fade over him. At least for the fists. Oh, it might have a different logic when it's like fire or something like that. Like you want it to kind of fade on him. But yeah, for now, let's go back. Let's go back to the breakable. Okay, here we go. Do I have the weapon? Yes. So I can just remove engage as soon as it hits. Class list. Dot remove. Engage. Alright. So now technically this should, as soon as it hits, as soon as it overlaps, it should remove the weapon. So it shouldn't overkill the server with 1 billion health calls. I don't know why it keeps giving points. Enemies should not get points. Okay, ready? It worked. So let's see. Pop. Oops. Let's punch him to death. Let's punch him to death. Alright, we're gonna kill you. Ready? Pop. 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 Well, it's not the most graceful thing. I don't know why it keeps refreshing with weird ass numbers. Like, why is it doing that? Like, what is this? Why are you tripping out? Well, unfortunately, looks like it's still doing too much, even though it's probably working. That means I need to do the whole logic like I do. Yeah. Okay, in that case, we have to do this. You are now going to be a function. Hurt the enemy. Weapon. L value. Take health away from enemy. What was it like? It was like const hurt the enemy. And this is weapon and enemy. And then I was doing whatever. I'm gonna look it up. Equals function or some shit, right? Is that it? How did I do it for the new Orbem area? Enter area. Enter new. Here it is. It's const. Oh, it's just equals. Okay, let's steal this. This is what I need to do basically. And then you just add a called at the end. So it's like, boom. Let's just steal it. Mother effer. is going to be weapon L. Weapon L. And enemy. Ah, fuck it. Value. And we got hurt enemy health. Is that what I called it? Okay, and then you need to add called at the bottom here. Or somewhere. I think it's right here, right? Called equals true. And then I get setting timeout. See if the, oh, I'm setting timeout. Because if I do it a million times, then it sets. Set timeout. I think I did a second. Called equals false. Reset. What? Unreachable code. Yeah, so. Let's double check. Called. So he, as if somebody else wrote this. I do it. Oh. It's inside. I'll just steal this whole thing. Oh, if false is called, then do this function. Near it. If called equals false, right? Or is that inside the return? Man, I have a bad memory. I think that's why I made the main character in the book have an eidetic and photographic memory. Because I don't have a good one. Okay, it's inside the return function. Yeah, right. Thanks. Okay. And then we'll add another fancy dancy. Yeah, I need to do that within here. So I'll do this and this and this. Okay. I think this is good. Now. I don't feel like restarting the music, so let's just turn this one up. This is my music too. Really horrible, simple loop music. Okay. Did I even hurt enemy health? I don't think that's what I called it. Hurt the enemy. Again, no memory. Hurt the enemy. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. Let's make sure now that this doesn't do a million health calls. It technically shouldn't do any health calls until I stop. Alright, let's try now. Boom. It worked. It did not work. False statement. Did I get a console error? No. So, really wish. Okay, fine. F it. Yeah, okay. So I'm doing this. He's intersecting, but it is not giving me the goods. Tell me why. Alright, so what's it supposed to do? I hit this. It's called true, called false. If that's the genre of the value, which it is. Yep. Health is 55. No, wrong one. I keep doing that. Oh, health is 15. It's not doing anything. It's dead. Okay. Well, let's see why. So I got this. Here's the only value. Ooh, what's this? Why? Invalid. Expected 0. Why? Bup. I thought that's supposed to count. That's how I do the other one. What was it? Enter explore point? No. Enter new area. Wait, what? Enter new area. Enter new area. Yeah, look, I'm passing 2. And there's here, return function 2. What am I doing wrong? This must, yeah. All right, hold on. This needs to be in another area. Hold on. Let's put in the same spot. Enter new area. Just feel like maybe it needs to be at the base level. Okay. Const. Enter new Orbem area. Enter new area. Equals function blah. Hurt the enemy. Okay. Return looks good. Oh, I forgot about this part. Let's just steal this whole bottom part. That's why. I'm a member. Okay. Yep. There she blows. Let's see if this works now. Should work. Another one. Okay. That was cool, getting a couple new viewers out of nowhere. I'm sure that's how it starts. You just gotta keep streaming. Too bad I had to jump out while the guy was still watching, or girl. They left pretty quickly when I left. Okay. Ready? We are going to punch him. And he is security bot with 15 health. Ready? Punch. That wasn't punch. Okay, ready? Punch. Jack shit. Same thing, nothing happening. That's so weird. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. Not a damn thing. The question is why? False. False. It should be false. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna save this whole thing. The whole point of this was to not repeat the enter. Same thing. And it should not be repeating the enter, but it should still work. Maybe that's why. Like, I don't want to repeat, but maybe let's think about this. Because what was happening was it would make the enter area call a million times. Right. Enter area. My guess is that it's not overlapping by the time called becomes, you know, by the time this is getting hit. Because what's happening is this is constantly getting checked. Right? It's part of the position check. So it's constantly checked. Oh, that's why. This is constantly getting checked. This is not the function that should be getting checked. What should have the run once is the actual shit inside the overlap. This should be on the outside. And it should only care about the called once when it's inside the override. So let's put this first. Okay. Now the overlap will check first. It'll constantly check. And then I'll go boop. False. And that means I need to put you in there. You bitch. I hate when I do that. Instead of pasting, I copy nothing, and then I lose my paste. Okay. This should be it. Yeah. Continue. Okay. Ready for some shit. Bah. 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 That did nothing. I thought I had it down. Let's check. Let's refresh again, just to make sure the JavaScript compiled. Okay. Oh, it worked. Look at that. Boom. That's magic. That's magic. Where is it? Here we go. Security boot. Security boot. Dude, check this out. One more hit. One more hit. Dead. Oh, that feels so good. It's such a clean hitting. Now, let me try something from below. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba. Jeez, how much health do you have? Die, die, die. Let's kill her. Oh god, I'm stuck in the table. Regret. I can't kill her. Oh god, I can't. Yeah, I really need to figure out a way to clean up like multiple collision objects that are right next to each other. It's really janky the way you interact. Like by themselves, like it's good until you hit a corner. And then it kind of like pushes you. But I think that's a win today. We got the punching working on the breakable. We made sure that the breakable saves, and it, you know, if I go one place and I go back, everybody's still dead. Everything's gone. I cleared this room. Feels good. Everyone's still dead. I got punching enemies working. I get points for breakables. Yeah. Congrats. We did it. All right. I think I'm good for tonight. And look at that. Almost perfect FPS. We're at 60. It's now perfect. Because nobody's on the internet in my house. Cool, everybody. Well, thanks for watching this. If you're seeing this in the future, and try to catch a stream. I try to stream now every night, 10 to 12 Eastern. Sometimes during the day, if I get an inkling and I want to do something during working hours. But yeah, you know, depending on the interaction and the feedback and stuff, maybe I'll try to stream longer, stream more, plan on more, maybe do other things. But for now, I'm just focusing on trying to get this video game to a place where I can launch it on the website and start using it as a lead gen for the book. And that's it. I will attempt a raid. Let's see. I know I don't have any real people. All my real people already left. But let's see if I can raid somebody. Which is weird though, because every time I tried to raid somebody, it makes me leave. I don't know how other people get to raid. Channel. Let's mute myself. Let's go to, oh, I don't want to go to my channel. I want to go to my video producer. No, creator dashboard. There you go. And I know you can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Connect and engage. Okay, here we go. No, where's that little like, oh, stream manager? Is that it? Yeah, stream manager. So now if I try to raid, should I do Ferret Software again? Or should I try somebody else? Yeah, let's do Ferret Software. Start. One viewer ready. Here we go. Raid now. I think it worked. Oh. Oh. You can now pin your cheers. I don't know what that means. I'm not going to do it. Oh, interesting. So, I rated. Oh, cool. Lost Soul followed me. That's great. Well, I'm still live. I don't know if the raid worked. I mean, I'm in his chat now. But I can't. Maybe I could hear. Maybe I could hear if it wasn't. No, I don't know. I should be able to hear. Because Pirate Software always like says thanks and stuff. But like, am I supposed to say something? I don't know. I'm going to look up how to raid properly. Because I think you're supposed to like say something in the chat. Maybe it triggers it. Woot. Elder Skull Singer is raiding with a party of 2. See, did mine say I was raiding with a party of 1 or something? Oh no, man. I'm out of here. Have a good night, everybody. Or whatever time. Have a good day.